Hey everyone, so this has been a quick unboxing here of the Samsung Galaxy A03s. So this is normally 60 bucks, at least from TrackPhone, prepaid. It was like 10 bucks off or so, 10 bucks off. So out the door I paid like $55 after taxes. But this one is of course locked to TrackPhone. Of course you can buy these unlocked, but they do cost I think over 100 bucks, at least here in the US. But the phone itself should be basically the same. There is TrackPhone's data plans if you want to go through them. Otherwise, you also go through like any other company as well. Here's some information on this device. We'll go ahead and pause the video and you can read through this. But the biggest thing is it has up to 40 hours of talk time and then standby time of up to 18 days, which is good. It has a triple camera on the back and it is a 6.5-inch HD plus LCD display. I think HD plus would be full HD, but I'm not exactly sure on that. 32 gigabytes of storage, and then it has an octa-core processor, 2.3 gigahertz and 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor. In the box, you get some paperwork. You get your SIM card ejector slot piece there. More paperwork. You get a USB-C to USB-C cable, but there is no wall adapter, which is kind of surprising. A lot of these budget phones come with a charger. I'm surprised this one does not. Then we have the phone itself right here, which is in this plastic. Let's see. This terrible plastic. There's probably an easier way of doing that, but there we go. Alright, then let's take a quick look around this phone, and you see here in this SIM card slot, which is the SIM card is a little bit farther back in there. It does have a micro SD card slot expansion, so that is awesome. Otherwise, on this side, there's nothing else. On the top here, there is a little mic. So here we have your volume rocker and our power button, which is actually pretty sweet because that is indented in instead of sticking out. You can definitely tell the difference between that and the volume rocker there. So that is cool. We have our speaker, one speaker, of course, down here. USB Type-C mic, and then a headphone jack, which is cool. So of course, a lot of more expensive phones do not include a headphone jack or the micro SD card slot expansion. You do have your triple camera with flash there, and I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but it does have a texture to it, as you can probably hear. And it's attracting every single thing that touches to it. Nice looking phone, especially considering this price. Again, this is normally 60 bucks, at least through TrackPhone. Like I said, just a quick unboxing. Stay tuned to my channel though. I'll be doing some comparisons and probably a review once I've had this for a little bit. Alright, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.